This is Take 5 with Bentley, Nevada. We're again joined today by Chris McMillan, Senior Product Manager for Bentley, Nevada's sensor portfolio, and that includes the Ranger Pro wireless system, which has been the subject of the last several episodes. Chris, welcome back.
Thanks for having me back.
Last time we talked about System 1, the Bentley, Nevada host software for condition monitoring, and we talked about its ability to handle multiple data sources, not just the Ranger Pro sensors, but other data sources. What are some of those data sources, Chris?
Sure. So from a Bentley, Nevada perspective, we offer a fairly wide portfolio depending upon, the user's needs, the machine application, and really, quite frankly, how critical it is to monitor that. So all the way on one end of the spectrum, System 1 can handle certainly a portables program or the portables product line from Bentley, Nevada, so you can incorporate walk around programs, et cetera, that data that's while it's still very valuable and important, but just not as frequent. Typically a portables walk around programs about once every 4 weeks to 6 weeks getting a Ranger through, kind of moving up that range of products is certainly Ranger Pro and wireless, getting data more often, certainly more often than a portables walk around, but maybe not quite as critical. Like we're talking, down in the very millisecond type data range. And then of course everything from wired. Wireless is fairly new and emerging and becoming more and more established in the condition monitoring world. But leading upon and building upon that infrastructure was building upon the wired infrastructure, which offers several advantages as well. So Bentley, Nevada has a wide variety of products and portfolios, everything from scanning, to high-speed continuous data with condition monitoring products. Our flagship, of course, couldn't mention Bentley, Nevada without saying 3500, and of course our up-and-coming Orbit 60, which are both condition monitoring, high-speed condition monitoring, as well as protection level monitoring systems coming out there. So really it can handle the quite a wide variety of different products, different technology modalities, as well as third-party modalities that may not be directly offered by Bentley, Nevada. All of that funneled into, I think we talked about a little bit earlier, kind of a little bit of a pun, but one system, or System 1, right? Being able to view and collect and analyze a wide variety of data and information sources underneath one umbrella is really the power behind System 1.
Chris, I know one of the things as I've talked to Bob Kraft, and we're going to invite him onto this program as well to talk about his part of the portfolio. He focuses a lot on some of the wired condition monitoring, not so much machine protection, but wired condition monitoring. And I think that some of his solutions can be deployed with wireless links. So maybe not fully wireless sensors, but maybe what we'd call like a hybrid solution. So there is kind of a continuum from walk around data collectors to your part of the portfolio with wireless sensing, and then to Bob's part of the portfolio with wired condition monitoring. But then also there's kind of these hybrid solutions in between there. Is that a fair statement?
It is a fair statement, right? So as technology progresses, as different solutions become available in the market, blending, or as a hybrid, as you like to say, between modalities, we are adept, and as we adopt and ensure, that these solutions provide the same quality and value to our customers, absolutely, and then Bob's product line being able to take really a wired system as you come through on this, and then transmit some of that data or get that data across large distances wirelessly, absolutely.
Well, Chris, as always, it's a pleasure to have you here. I think talked a bit about System 1. There's always more to talk about, but next time, I've got a bullet list here, and the next time what I'd really like to talk about is we're going to shift back to the hardware and talk a little bit about hazardous areas, because I know a lot of people considering wireless, that's one of the reasons they gravitate towards the technology, is it's places they don't really want people stepping foot. So with that, we'll have you back again for another episode. And I'm looking forward to that. I hope you are as well.
Okay, we'll talk again.
Okay, Chris, thank you. You've been listening to Take 5 with Bentley Nevada, a Baker Hughes